Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm coming to you guys with another install. Now I know I've been MIA lately, but y'all been trying to find ways to put out better videos, better content. Y'all see me back there in the bite. Y'all say hey in the comments down below. Anyway, this is just a simple 613 install, because like, yeah, I've been trying to find different styles I can try on people and try to get my clients to try new stuff, but they be wanting the same old thing. But if y'all have any ideas, please let me know down below, because we want to see some new stuff. So this is an old wig install. When you guys are installing the old wig, it's really simple. You just have to make sure the wig still fits and is in the right position when you put it on, because you don't want to put it on wrong, have to cut some extra lace because you didn't put it in the right position, and then the next time you do it, the wig don't fit no more. So you really have to map it out, measure out, and see, draw lines if you have to. But yeah, and the glue I'm using today, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the first layer I used was Bold Hold Active, and after that I used some clear glue I've been testing out, and I'm gonna let y'all know how that go, because if it go good, then y'all start selling it, of course. So one tip that I always do when I'm getting ready to tie my lace down with the elastic band, I always part out where I want the part to go first, because this is like really important for beginners. It's easier to hot comb somebody's hair with that band on, so you don't burn their skin or forehead, than it is without it. Now, you know, I've been doing hair for a little minute, so I'm kind of used to it, but it's just a quick little tip that I give beginners. So here's the final product after the comb out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below more videos you guys want to see, because I don't care if my clients don't want these styles. At the end of the day, they gonna get them if y'all want to see them. So just let me know. Are you gonna do something? Am I posting this?
No.